Want to get up to a 100% deposit bonus on your trading account? Before we begin, please note that this promo code works only if you register using the exclusive link provided in this video's description. If you create your account without using that link, the promo code may not be available. The promo code is IQBONUSZAB, and it offers up to a 100% deposit bonus depending on how much you deposit. The platform automatically calculates and displays your bonus percentage as soon as you enter your deposit amount. For example, deposit $10 and receive a 50% bonus, giving you an extra $5. Deposit $30 and receive a 75% bonus. Deposit $50 or more and receive the maximum 100% deposit bonus. So, the higher your deposit amount, the higher the bonus percentage you'll receive, according to the promotion. Now let me show you how to claim it. First, register through the exclusive link in the video description and log in to your account. Click the deposit button, choose your preferred payment method, and enter your deposit amount. As you can see, the bonus percentage updates automatically based on the amount you enter. Next, make sure the promo code IQBONUSZAB is selected, or enter it manually in the promotion code field if needed. Complete your deposit, and once it's successful, the bonus will be credited automatically to your real trading account. There's also another promotional code you can use called High Pay. Unlike the deposit bonus, High Pay gives you a profit boost instead. When you activate this promo code while making your deposit, your profit percentage on eligible binary and digital options trades can be increased by up to 5% for the next 60 minutes, depending on the asset and the platform's conditions during the promotional period. To activate it, simply click the deposit button, choose your payment method, and enter High Pay in the promotion code field before completing your deposit. Once your deposit is successful, the profit boost will be activated automatically. After activation, you'll have 60 minutes to enjoy the increased profitability on eligible binary and digital options. Please note that only trades opened at the current market price, spot price, qualify for this promotion. Before claiming any promotion, remember to read the applicable terms and conditions. For the IQ Bonus ZAB deposit bonus, the bonus funds cannot be withdrawn immediately. According to the promotion terms, you'll need to complete a trading turnover equal to 65 times the bonus amount within 14 days before it becomes withdrawable. If you decide you no longer wish to participate, you can close your open trades and cancel the bonus from your trader room. That's it. You can choose the promotion that best suits your trading style, either the IQBONUSZAB deposit bonus for extra trading funds or the High Pay promo code for a temporary increase in trade profitability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And once again, remember that these promotional offers are available only when you register through the exclusive link in the video description. Thanks for watching.